Welcome to this comprehensive course on using ChatGPT for YouTube SEO and keyword research. I'm excited to guide you through this journey that will transform how you approach YouTube content creation. If you've ever uploaded a video and wondered why it didn't get the views you expected, you're not alone. The problem isn't always your content quality, it's often discoverability. That's where SEO comes in, and that's exactly what we'll master together in this course. So, what exactly is YouTube SEO? Simply put, it's the practice of optimizing your videos to rank higher in YouTube's search results and suggested videos. Think of it as the bridge between your amazing content and the audience that's desperately searching for it. YouTube's algorithm considers three main factors when ranking videos: keywords, engagement, and relevance. Keywords tell YouTube what your video is about. Engagement shows YouTube that people actually enjoy your content. And relevance ensures your video matches what viewers are searching for. Now, here's where ChatGPT becomes your secret weapon. This AI tool excels at brainstorming, understanding user intent, and generating keyword variations that you might never have thought of yourself. Let me give you an analogy that will stick with you throughout this course. Think of YouTube SEO like setting up a shop in a busy marketplace. If you put up the right signs, those are your keywords. Arrange your shop attractively. That's your titles, descriptions, and thumbnails, and actually attract customers who stick around. That's your engagement. You'll sell more products. ChatGPT is like having a brilliant marketing consultant right there with you, helping you craft those perfect signs that draw exactly the right customers to your shop. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pause this video if you need to and search for one of your favorite topics on YouTube. Look at the top 3 video titles that come up. Write down the keywords you notice. What do they have in common? Are they specific or general? Do they create curiosity? This simple exercise will start training your eye to spot successful SEO patterns. Remember this key principle: SEO equals visibility plus discoverability. YouTube rewards creators who are clear about their content and generate genuine engagement. And that's exactly what we're going to achieve together. ChatGPT basics for YouTube SEO. Now that you understand why YouTube SEO matters, let's dive into the practical side. Before we explore advanced strategies, I want to make sure you're completely comfortable using ChatGPT for keyword discovery and SEO optimization. The key to getting great results from ChatGPT lies in how you prompt it. Think of ChatGPT as a highly knowledgeable assistant who needs clear instructions to give you exactly what you need. Let me demonstrate with a real example. Instead of asking ChatGPT something vague like "give me keywords for breakfast," try this specific prompt. Act as a YouTube SEO expert. Suggest 20 keyword ideas for a video about healthy breakfast recipes for kids ranked by search potential. Notice how this prompt works. First, I gave ChatGPT a role, YouTube SEO expert. This puts it in the right mindset. Then I was specific about what I wanted, 20 keyword ideas. I defined my topic clearly, healthy breakfast recipes for kids. And finally, I asked for ranking by search potential, which helps prioritize the results. When you use this prompt, ChatGPT might generate keywords like healthy school lunch ideas, 10-minute breakfasts for kids, energy breakfasts for children, quick breakfast recipes kids love, nutritious breakfast ideas for picky eaters. See how each of these keywords targets a slightly different search intent. Some parents want quick solutions, others are dealing with picky eaters, and some are focused on nutrition. This variety is exactly what you want. When you use this prompt, ChatGPT might generate keywords like healthy school lunch ideas, 10-minute breakfasts for kids, energy breakfasts for children, quick breakfast recipes kids love, nutritious breakfast ideas for picky eaters. See how each of these keywords targets a slightly different search intent. Some parents want quick solutions, others are dealing with picky eaters, and some are focused on nutrition. This variety is exactly what you want. What's beautiful about ChatGPT is that it thinks like your audience. It considers different ways people might phrase their searches, different levels of knowledge they might have, and different problems they're trying to solve. Remember, ChatGPT is your idea generator. It helps you think like your audience instead of just thinking like a creator. This shift in perspective is crucial for YouTube's success. Keyword research with ChatGPT. Now, we're going to take your keyword research to the next level. Keywords aren't just random words. They're clues that tell YouTube exactly what your content is about and who should see it. The magic happens with long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that might have lower search volume but much higher conversion rates. While AI tools might be searched by millions, free AI tools for small business marketing is searched by exactly the people who need your content. Let me show you the power of semantic variations with a real example. If your main keyword is AI tools, ChatGPT can expand this into free AI tools for students, AI tools for small businesses, top AI tools in 2025, AI tools for content creation, AI tools that save time. Each variation targets a different search intent. Students want free options. Business owners want ROI. Everyone wants the latest and greatest. Content creators want specific solutions. Here's a powerful prompt you can use. List 15 long-tail keyword variations for the topic, best AI tools, and categorize them into beginner, intermediate, and advanced user intent. This approach helps you understand your audience at different knowledge levels. Beginners might search for "what are AI tools?" while advanced users search for AI tools for enterprise automation. Let me share a real case study that illustrates this perfectly. I worked with a fitness creator who started with the broad keyword fitness. We used ChatGPT to narrow it down. First level, home workouts, second level, 10-minute home workouts, final level, 10-minute home workouts for beginners. This progression took her from competing with millions of fitness videos to owning a specific niche. Her views increased by 300% because she was speaking directly to people who wanted exactly what she offered. Your exercise for this lesson is crucial. Take your main topic and create keyword variations in 3 categories. Beginner level, people just discovering this topic. Intermediate level, people with some knowledge looking to improve. Advanced level, experts seeking cutting-edge information. This categorization will help you create content that serves your audience at every stage of their journey. The goal is to find keywords that balance high search volume with low competition. You want to be a big fish in a small pond, not a small fish in an ocean. Optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags. Now comes the exciting part, turning those keywords into content that actually gets clicked and watched. Your title is your first impression, your description is your sales pitch, and your tags are your filing system. Let's start with titles. A great YouTube title needs to do 2 things simultaneously: include your target keyword for SEO and create enough curiosity to generate clicks. This is what we call the SEO clickability balance. Here's a powerful ChatGPT prompt for title creation. Generate 5 engaging YouTube titles for a video on AI video editing tools, using the keyword but making each clickable. ChatGPT might generate titles like AI video editing tools you must try in 2025, how to edit videos in 5 minutes with AI. These AI tools will replace your video editor. Free AI video editing tools that actually work. Notice the patterns. Each title includes the keyword AI video editing tools, but they use different psychological triggers. The first creates urgency with must. The second promises speed with 5 minutes. The third creates curiosity with replace your video editor. The fourth combines 2 powerful words, free and actually work. Here's an analogy that will help you remember this principle. Think of your title as a variable name in programming. Just like a good variable name tells you exactly what the code does, a good YouTube title tells both viewers and the algorithm exactly what your video contains. For descriptions, you want to expand on your title while naturally incorporating related keywords. Don't stuff keywords. Instead, write for humans while keeping SEO in mind. Your first 2 lines are crucial because they appear in search results. Tags are less important than they used to be, but they still help YouTube understand your content context. Use your main keyword as your first tag, then add variations and related terms. Here's your exercise. Take one of your existing videos and rewrite the title and description using ChatGPT. Ask for multiple options, then choose the one that best balances SEO with clickability. Remember this formula: SEO plus clickability equals growth. Master this balance, and you'll see dramatic improvements in your video performance. Advanced SEO strategies with ChatGPT. Welcome to the Advanced Strategies that separate good creators from great ones. These techniques will give you a significant competitive advantage. First, let's talk about content alignment. Your entire video should support your SEO strategy. Use ChatGPT to generate a video outline that naturally incorporates your target keywords throughout the content. I want to share a powerful case study with you. One of my students grew from 10,000 to 100,000 subscribers in 6 months by implementing one simple change: adding ChatGPT-generated FAQs to their video descriptions. Here's what happened. YouTube's algorithm loves content that answers searcher questions comprehensively. By including FAQs that addressed related searches, their videos started ranking for dozens of long-tail keywords they never directly targeted. Here's the advanced prompt they used. Based on this transcript, extract 5 SEO-friendly FAQs and answers to add to my YouTube description. This technique works because it captures semantic search patterns. When someone searches for how to start a podcast, they might also wonder about equipment, software, hosting, and monetization. By addressing these related questions, your video becomes a comprehensive resource. Another advanced strategy is transcript repurposing. Upload your video transcript to ChatGPT and ask it to identify the most SEO-valuable snippets. These can become timestamps in your description, social media posts, blog content, email newsletter sections. Here's your advanced exercise. Take your most recent video transcript and ask ChatGPT to generate 5 SEO-friendly FAQs. Then implement these in your description and monitor the results over the next 2 weeks. Advanced SEO isn't about gaming the system. It's about providing comprehensive value. ChatGPT helps you understand and address the full spectrum of your audience's questions and needs. Analytics, iteration, and continuous improvement. Here's a truth that might surprise you. YouTube SEO is never finished. The most successful creators treat it as an ongoing cycle of publishing, analyzing, and improving. YouTube Analytics is your goldmine of SEO insights. Pay attention to which keywords are driving traffic to your videos, your click-through rates on different title styles, average view duration for different content types, which videos rank well and why. This is where ChatGPT becomes your analysis partner. You can input your analytics data and ask for insights. For example, here are 3 top-ranking video titles on home workouts from my competitors. Compare them with my title and suggest improvements. ChatGPT might identify patterns like successful titles often include numbers. Power words like ultimate or complete perform well. Questions generate more clicks than statements. The key is iterative improvement. Don't just create and forget. Regularly audit your content performance and identify opportunities for optimization. Sometimes, simply updating an old video's title and description can breathe new life into it. Here's your systematic approach. Weekly, review your top-performing videos and identify success patterns. Monthly, audit underperforming videos for optimization opportunities. Quarterly, analyze competitor strategies and adapt successful elements. Your exercise for this lesson: pick one video that's at least a month old but underperforming. Paste its analytics data into ChatGPT along with the title and description. Ask for specific improvement recommendations, then implement them. Remember, good creators create consistently. Great creators iterate intelligently. The difference between those who succeed on YouTube and those who don't often comes down to this willingness to analyze, learn, and improve. Every piece of data is a clue about what your audience wants. Use ChatGPT to decode these clues and continuously refine your approach. Final project. Congratulations! You've learned the complete system for using ChatGPT to optimize your YouTube SEO. Now it's time to put everything together in a comprehensive final project. Here's your mission. Choose one of your existing YouTube videos, preferably one that's underperforming or one you're planning to create. You're going to completely optimize it using everything you've learned. Your deliverable includes 5 components. First, generate a comprehensive keyword list using the advanced prompting techniques we covered. Include primary keywords, long-tail variations, and semantic alternatives. Second, create an optimized title and description. Use ChatGPT to generate multiple options, then select the best combination of SEO value and clickability. Third, develop a strategic tag list that supports your keyword strategy without being spammy. Fourth, extract SEO-friendly FAQs from your content or topic research to enhance your description. Fifth, compare your optimized metadata with your top 3 competitors in the same niche. Document what makes your approach unique and valuable. Create a before and after comparison document. Show original title versus optimized title. Original description versus enhanced description. Your keyword research process and results. Competitor analysis insights. Projected impact on discoverability. This project will cement everything you've learned and give you a template for optimizing all your future content. As we wrap up, let me leave you with the 5 key principles that will guide your YouTube SEO success. 1. SEO is about discoverability, not just content quality. Amazing content that can't be found helps no one. 2. Your titles and descriptions are digital storefronts. Make them impossible to ignore while accurately representing your value. 3. ChatGPT excels at brainstorming and optimization, but your creativity and authentic voice make the real difference. 4. Advanced strategies like FAQs and transcript repurposing can dramatically boost your visibility with minimal extra effort. 5. Continuous improvement through analytics review is the secret to long-term YouTube growth. You now have everything you need to transform your YouTube presence. The tools are in your hands, the strategies are in your mind, and the opportunity is waiting for you. Your audience is out there searching for exactly what you create. Now you know how to make sure they find you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Now go create content that gets discovered, watched, and shared. Please like, share, and subscribe for future updates.